Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to post multiple photos on Instagram from computer. We start by opening our Instagram profile. Then we are going to click on Create and choose the Post option. Here we are going to start by dragging or selecting the first image from our computer. You can change the aspect ratio of the images from the bottom left icon. Then, to add more photos, we are going to click on the lower icon that we show you, and then on the More icon. Next, we add the following image. We will continue adding and reordering the different images in the publication if we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once added, we continue with the process and finish the publication. We will be able to see the publication with the different photos added to our profile. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.